guys, so welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make an anti-aging facial mask at home using all natural ingredients. Now, a facial mask can help to tighten the skin. A facial mask can help to boost collagen production in the skin. A facial mask will also help to hydrate the skin. This facial mask will do all. It will tighten, firm, boost collagen, hydrates, and bonus, it will also help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation. Another amazing thing about this facial mask is that it contains electrolytes. Electrolytes work on the skin by locking that moisture in the skin to keep your skin looking hydrated, soft, and supple. So if you're interested in the recipe for this hydrating facial mask, follow me to the kitchen. I'm going to show you step by step how to prepare the facial mask and how best to use it on your skin for the most effective result. To make this recipe, you're going to need a small blender. So to make our facial mask, I'm going to be using some cooked rice. You want to cook the rice, but do not overcook, okay? You don't want to cook out all of the nutrients out of the rice. Rice have hydrating properties. Not only that, rice will help to tighten, firm, and boost the collagen production in the skin. So here I have about a quarter cup of rice. And what we're going to be doing with the rice, we are going to be blending. So we're going to place our quarter cup of rice in our blender. Now, it doesn't matter what kind of rice you have. You can use black rice, you can use purple rice, parboiled rice, or you can even use some brown rice. My next ingredient is rose water, which is very hydrating to the skin. And rose water has been used for centuries on the skin. We're using 1 tablespoon of the rose water, pouring this in the blender with the rice. We're also going to be using orange peel powder for its vitamin C properties. Orange peel powder will help to lighten, brighten, and get rid of hyperpigmentation on the skin. To make orange peel powder, just dry your orange peel and blend to a powder. So I'm using a 1/4 teaspoon of the orange peel powder, pouring this in the blender. So in our blender, we have rice, we have rose water, and we have orange peel powder. And now we're going to blend all 3 ingredients together. Now after blending, here we have our rice, rose water, and dried orange peel powder. And now we're going to put this aside and move on to the next ingredient. Our next ingredient is avocado. And avocado contains electrolytes, which help to lock the moisture in the skin to keep the skin hydrated. It also contains vitamin A, which help to boost collagen production and reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Avocado also contains vitamin C and vitamin E, making it an ideal natural ingredient to use topically on the skin. So take a look, here we have it. And what I'm going to use from this is a slice of the avocado. So we're cutting about 1 ounce or so of the avocado. You really do not need a lot. A little goes a long way. And then we're going to reach back for our blender with the rice. We're just going to chop this in the blender. Just cut it in. This piece, you're going to put it away to add to your salad or your guacamole, okay? My next ingredient is honey, and honey contains antibacterial properties, but we're using it for its moisturizing properties. It will help to moisturize the skin and keep your skin looking hydrated. So I'm using 1 teaspoon of the honey, and we're adding this to the blender with the rest of the ingredient. Make sure to get everything in. So here in our blender, we have honey, we have avocado, we have rice, dried orange peel, and we also have rose water. Now guys, at this stage, you can choose to add a little bit more rose water, around about another teaspoon or so of the rose water. And now we're going to cover a second time and we're going to blend. Now you might be wondering why I didn't just blend everything together. That is because the rice is harder to blend than the avocado. So I want to give the rice a head start, and then I had the avocado, which is much softer. Now after blending, here we have our avocado facial mask. Let's scoop this out. Now here you have your avocado facial mask. To use this facial mask, you want to use it on clean skin, and you want to use this at least 2 to 3 times for best result. Apply the mask on your skin. You can also take it down on your neck and your décolleté. You're going to leave it on your skin for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you are going to rinse this off. Then you're going to pat dry the skin and apply your favorite skincare products. When it comes onto this facial mask, a facial mask will help to tighten the skin. It will help to boost collagen production. It will help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation. But best of all, when you use it on a regular, it will leave your skin looking younger, brighter, and fresher. So use it up, guys. Use it on a regular for more effective result. So and there you have it, guys, an anti-aging avocado facial mask. Now a good substitute for avocado, if you do not have it, is to try some papaya. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, and guess what, guys, leave those comments. The comments are always important. So thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video.